if you're a content creator watching this video, most especially here on YouTube, I'll be showing you a very good SEO strategy to help your videos go viral. So now imagine if people are coming across your video, they see it, maybe they like the title and they click, but because they are not really understanding what you're saying, they are clicking off. Even though you're even speaking English, but they are still clicking off. I know you'll be like, is it really possible? This possible because the people who don't really understand English per se, like very well. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually make people who don't really understand English to stay back and watch your video to the very end, even though they don't really understand what you're speaking. This particular thing has to do with adding captions and subtitles to your videos. Now imagine if eventually you add that subtitle to your video and these people come across your video and they're able to understand what you're saying, because whatever you're saying is being translated to their own language and they sit back and watch. Don't you think it's going to help you to get more views? So I'll be showing you how you can actually add captions and subtitles to your YouTube videos. Now stay with me as I walk you through the process. Right now, to get started, make sure that you're signed into your YouTube channel, okay? Of course, the studio version of your YouTube, because you're working from your YouTube studio. Go to your Google, go to your browser and type studio.youtube.com, okay? You click on it. So now what we have to do, go to this section, this second icon on the left, just below my profile icon. You tap on it. That is the section that contains all your channel videos, both your shorts, your long form videos, and even your live stream, okay? And what you want to do right now is to add caption to the video. So now I'll have to select a video I've already uploaded that I'm sure does not have any caption on it. That is what we'll be working with, okay? Let's use this one, where to get free copyrighted songs. So you tap on it, of course, and wait for it to load. So yeah, this is the video. So we'll be going to this fifth one. This fifth one is where you can add your caption and your subtitle to the video. Let me zoom it a little bit. So you have to click on this one. This is what you are seeing, subtitles. So if you notice, this video is currently just on one language, which is of course the English language. So if someone is watching my video, they can only watch the video caption in English. If you want to doubt, maybe you can make an experiment. You can play this video and watch the video. So welcome back again. So right now, if you check this top icon, you're seeing caption. If I want to see what I'm seeing on this video, I'll have to click here. And if you click on those gear icon and you scroll to the caption, there are no captions there. So now we are going back to the studio section of our video, okay? So what we'll have to do right now is, I want to add, let me say something like French to the video. I'll click on add language. I'll wait for a menu that would bring out the list of all the languages we have. Now this is it. I'm going to click on French, okay? When I click on French, I'll click on this icon here, tap on it, and then click on the pencil icon. When you come to the pencil icon, you'll see that the option to auto translate is grayed out. See, the auto translate is slow. I can't actually add this French here, but the only way I can do this is to go back and publish the automatic caption of the video. So we'll have to just go back, close this, just close it from here, then go to this automatic caption, not the video language, the automatic caption, the one that is already published on the 14th of February. Tap on it, okay, and click on this pencil icon here. You're going to see something that looks like this. This will override your existing English caption, whatever. Click on continue. Once you do that, you notice that the caption for this video has been generated. You can choose to edit your timing and correct any typo errors on this. So all I'll have to do come to this place that shows edit timing and click on it, because I want the wordings to be appearing according to the timing of the video, and this is it right now. So once I do this, I click on publish. Okay, now the caption for this video, the automatic caption is already here. Okay, so now let's go back to this French icon, this French one, and see if there's a difference. We tap on that pencil icon again and wait for it. If you notice, the auto translate that was grayed out before is no longer grayed out. Click on auto translate. You will notice that everything that you said in your video in that English version will be automatically translated to French. You don't need to edit anything here. All you need to do is to just go up here and click on publish. Once it's published, you'll see that the French caption, in fact, the French subtitle has been added to this video. The next thing you can do, I can decide to also add maybe one more language. Let's use German, for example. I'll still click on add language, wait for the option to choose the German language. So we'll click on German and repeat the same process. Exactly the same process. Then click on this area and still click on the pencil icon. Now you also notice that the option to auto translate is also showing, which of course I'll have to tap on it and wait for YouTube to translate everything in German. We can also click on publish. Right now this video now has 2 extra subtitles, which is French and German, meaning that whoever is watching this video can actually choose to watch in English or in French or in German. Okay, now let's go back now and watch that video on YouTube. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Okay, so now we want to watch, I'll check the captions on those videos. So we'll have to tap on this caption area. Maybe you're using CapCut. So right now, the English version of this is what is appearing on this screen now. If I don't want to watch in English, let's say I want to watch in French, maybe I understand French better, all I have to do is click on this gear icon. Now you see the option for caption. I don't know why it's saying unavailable. The caption is actually available. Click on caption. I'll now tap on French. You see, every single thing I'm saying now is appearing in French. If we want to watch in German, of course, the same process. Tap on the gear icon, click on captions, and click on German, and everything will be translated to German. If I don't want to watch anything in any of these languages, I just want to listen to what the video is saying, I'll have to click on this caption area and turn it off. You see? Very simple, very detailed. Now you can actually go and start doing this thing for all of your other videos, all of your old videos at your own convenience. Now maybe if you're able to check maybe where most of your viewers are coming from, you're able to turn on subtitles for those people. Now I'm going to see you guys in my next one, and if you've not yet subscribed, sweetheart, please subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that you're always going to be able to make new videos. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.